This is Beauty by Francesca, a self-care subscription which runs $29.99 monthly, and you can cancel anytime. For $29.99, you receive 5 to 6 handmade natural and organic skincare products. These products are handcrafted soaps, body butters, lotions, bars, bath salts, bath oils, shower steamers, bath bombs, body scrubs, accessories, and more. And they are all high-quality, fresh ingredients from plants, oils, butters, herbs, clays, salts, and essential oils. I will put information and a link below to her website. This can be purchased through Amazon as a subscription, and as a subscription has free shipping. But if you are going to buy individual products, 50 plus is free shipping. So this is the subscription box, March of 2024, which she sent to me free. Thank you so much, Francesca. She knows how much I love her boxes. And she included this lovely card. Thank you so much. Now let's go ahead and dig into this box. That was me clapping, by the way. It smells so good. I am always so excited about her boxes. It's such a treat every month. So each box has a card which has a theme, and this one is Bloom. Bloom into your best self. Self-care is a journey, like a blossoming, like a flower, and so on. And then it also lists the items and a little description of the items, which I'll use as I take the items out of the box. So the first item is this butterfly seed paper, which has snapdragon, petunia, beard tongue, daisy, thyme, poppy, catchfly, maiden pinks, and chamomile. This handmade item is from paper formed one sheet at a time by hand in Seattle, from 100% post-industrial waste, and they're 100% tree-free, acid-free fiber. The seeds will need 4 hours a day of direct sunlight with constant watering in well-draining soil until the plant is large enough to handle a brief drought. Before or after germination, plant flat under 1/4 inch of soil and keep moist and enjoy. Okay, so the next is the Blooming Rose Handmade Soap. Cleanse and pamper your skin with this beautiful rose-embellished soap infused with balancing and calming Palmarosa essential oils, including olive oil, coconut oil, looks like some castor oil, hemp oil, meadow foam oil, shea butter, rose clay, roses, and more. Always a good size soap. This one is a 4-ounce, packaged well, can be purchased individually on the website, and smells amazing. Oh yeah, it smells so good. Can't wait to break into that tonight. Her body oils are always amazing, and this one is the Felicity Aromatherapy Body Oil. Deeply quench your skin's thirst with this luxurious oil. Rice bran oil provides a base of intense moisture, while jasmine, geranium, and ylang essential oils not only leave a beautiful fragrance, but also promote radiant skin. It says it's great for daily use, and it has rice bran oil, sunflower oil, vitamin E, ylang, grapeseed oil, geranium, jasmine oil, and other, and it is organic. Typically, I prefer the oils that do not have a scent. Not saying I won't use it if it does have a little scent. Oh, it's a fresh scent. It's not overpowering. Okay, so this one is the Pink Grapefruit Whipped Sea Salt Body Scrub. This invigorating soapy scrub buffs away dullness, leaving your skin feeling silky smooth and perfectly prepped for hydration. Infused with nourishing pink grapefruit essential oils, it leaves a hint of citrusy sunshine on your skin. Has vitamin E essential oils, magnesium, coconut, fruit extract, and more. So this one is an 8-ounce. And oh my goodness, does that smell good? Look at the texture on that. Whipped sea salt scrub. Oh my gosh, so moisturizing. It's a light grapefruit smell. Smells amazing and looks so moisturizing. I cannot wait to get into this. Alrighty, so the last but not least is this deodorant, which is a rosemary, tea tree, and lavender deodorant. Stay fresh all day with this aluminum and baking soda-free deodorant. The invigorating blend of rosemary, tea tree, and lavender essential oils plus magnesium effectively combats odor while leaving you feeling confident and fresh naturally. And the ingredients are coconut oil, magnesium oxide, beeswax, shea butter, arrowroot powder, zinc oxide, essential oils, which are the rosemary, tea tree, and lavender. So no scent from this distance, and it looks moisturizing. So it has a clean scent, smells nice. And that is the 5 items in the March 2024 box. $30, free shipping, and cancel anytime. I love her products. I get use out of everything. And thank you again, Francesca. Blooming Rose soap, body oil, all natural deodorant, whipped sea salt body scrub, and the seeds to plant. You can click on the link below if you're interested in her subscription or to check out her products. And the products do vary month to month. It's always a nice surprise.